So looking at this problem that I screwed up earlier, what if we add helium gas? Well, the way I screwed it up earlier is like, well, you add helium gas, it increases the pressure, right? So then increasing the pressure is going to cause it to shift. But that's missing the point of this. It has to do with the volume. If the volume is constant and you add an inert gas, nothing happens. Because what we're looking at here is the essentially the molarity of the gases, which is N over V, and that is equal to P over RT. When we just change the pressure and it changes for all of them equally, then there's no effect because the partial pressures aren't changing. So the concentrations aren't changing, the equilibrium does not shift. Does that make sense? So we add helium gas, a gas that is not one of the reactants or products, no effect. Okay.